In the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to Pentec Coatings' industrial strength concrete coatings. We'll explain why our coatings outperform the competition and show you firsthand how we can transform your floor in just one day. But first, here's a few of our past customers to tell you why they love their Pentec floors.
That's been on here. It's been used 5 years, and it is still in excellent condition. We're kind of proud of it.
Not only will it protect it, I think it improved the floor, and it makes it more like a living space. It made our garage look like new.
As you can see by looking at the floor, it looks amazing. I hang out here a lot, and previously, my baby likes to hang out with me too. But previously, with the dirty garage floor, Mama wouldn't let that happen, so now he'll be out here with me too.
Well, we talked to them first when we were looking for a surfacing solution for the pool we had in our last house. It doesn't seem to translate heat. It's every bit as effective at protecting your feet from the hot surface as a cool deck was, and a lot easier to maintain.
After 3 years almost here, it still looks amazing. I still look down at these floors and go, man, this was the best decision I ever made. We even have pets, and between pets and a husband, this place handles it all.
Now let's look at why traditional coatings fail. Most coatings sold today are water-based epoxy systems. You can find them every day at big box stores and paint shops. They are marketed as low cost and easy to install, but the problem is they don't work. Epoxies harden with time and in as little as 1 to 2 years get brittle and begin chipping and peeling. And most homeowners don't have the right equipment to profile concrete. And in this business, thorough preparation is critical. If your floor isn't prepped right, your coating will fail. Properly preparing the surface is absolutely critical. Our certified installation teams have the right equipment and training to prep your floor efficiently. Our typical floor grinders weigh over 600 pounds and use high-quality diamond tooling under extreme pressure to profile the surface of the concrete. If your floor has minor cracks or damaged areas, these can typically be repaired using Pentec's award-winning CR Mender, a rapid cure polyurea repair system that's ready to coat in just 15 minutes. Unlike traditional epoxy, our Evolution system features polyurea, a material that's much stronger and more flexible. Our base coat has been engineered for maximum adhesion to your concrete. It finds the open pores of the concrete and bonds deep into the substrate, literally becoming a permanent part of the floor. These decorative chips come in a variety of designer colors and are 100% UV stable, so you never have to worry about your coating fading or discoloring. We start by scraping and collecting all of the loose chip. This process allows us to create just the right texture and feel, a floor that is comfortable and safe to walk on, but attractive and easy to clean. The final step is installing our polyaspartic top coat. Its non-porous finish makes it 100% antibacterial and antimicrobial. It's designed for maximum durability. It's incredibly chemical, impact, and wear resistant. So imagine transforming your concrete in just one day. Come home to a brand new surface that you will be proud of. An ideal solution for patios, front steps, walkways, and any outdoor concrete surface where UV stability and maximum durability are required. Our seamless floors are perfect for laundry, utility rooms, and basements. Ideal solutions for retail, industrial, food service, and more. For the ultimate in durability, safety, and beauty, trust your certified Pentec Coatings dealer.